Good morning students, welcome back. Our class is 7, our subject social studies. Okay, and before we have completed Europe lesson, and in that we have discussed about in the Europe lesson about the seasons, the continents, how the water will be having. We are discussing in the Europe lesson, in that peoples, how the peoples will be there, which types of crops also they are go, and north side to south side pole, this all we are discussing in the Europe continent. And today we are knowing about the Africa. We are knowing about the Africa. Okay, the new lesson is the Africa. What do you thinking it is Africa? This also one continent. Yes, it is also one continent. Europe is also one continent and Africa also continent. Yes, we are knowing about the continent. In this Africa, we are knowing about the, or India means west side India lies. It is having which India lies it having as a continent. It is having as a continent. Yes, it is a continent. Yes, it is the lies of the India's world lies is called as a continent. Yes, in the Europe also it is a continent, Africa also one continent. In this Africa, now we are talking about only Africa. In the Africa, it is a continent. Yes or no? Yes. In this Africa, in this we are knowing about how the rivers, water same as it, but the peoples were different, that we are knowing about. Yes, we are knowing about the continents, how much of the heavy rainfall we are talking, the climate, when the climate will be changing. In the Europe there will be climate change, in the Africa. Now we are talking about in the Africa, how the climate will be changes, heavy rainfall, less rainfall, weather we are talking, we are knowing about the in the Africa lesson. In the Africa lesson they were having as extremely deserts. They are having the more deserts and then forest. Yes, in this also they are having the forests, deserts and forest will be also there. And no more as long bordered rivers. Yes, in this also having the rivers, long bordered rivers also in this there. And moreover they are having the numerically large lakes also. They are having the numerically large lakes and grass stretching of over the thousands of miles. Means in this lesson all they are having deserts, denny forest and long broad rivers. They are having the large lakes also, grass. Totally you will be having in the which lesson? Which continent? In Africa continent. And moreover finding in our country, when we are finding in our country, the world largest export import, means there are more meaning is the gold and diamonds also. Gold and diamonds and the mines. These all are more in the Africa. And the next they are located, means these all are be located. The name continent is the Africa. These all are where will be see? Where will see? In the which continent? You can see Europe, Asia, North America, South America. Where will see? We can see in the Africa. Yes, in the Africa only we are seeing the continents. We are seeing the continents in the Africa only. And the next, perhaps you surprised you to know Africa cradle has a humankind. They are having the candle of the humankinds. There will be having as a humankinds. And the next, human being the first developed in Africa and they moved to the other countries. They had to move to the other countries. They are not settled in the one continent. They are to setting into the changing the places now. Okay, they are changing into the places of our country and the continent. Next, we are knowing about the Africa vast plateaus. We are knowing about the Africa vast plateaus. Already you know about the plateaus. Yes, already first onwards we are knowing about the plateaus, plains, mountains, hills. All we are know and discussed also about the plateaus, plains all. Now in the Africa we are knowing about the vast of plateaus. Okay, and we can see the Africa's map. Okay, we can see in the Africa's map what will be having in that plateaus, how it will be, we can see on the map. And see, but up there having as a large plain interior. In the interior, in the middle is there having a large plains. And the next they are having the interior of continent. In the middle they are having the plain total. It will be having the plain. In the middle they are having means interior. Interior they are having the continents. In the interior they are having the continent. And only coast you we find narrow plains. They are having the narrow plain. Narrow plain means they are having a only plain. And they have continents having the vast plateaus. In the continents they are having the vast plateaus. And the next they are having the varied height, means they are having the more height. And the next they are having the Nile and Congo. They are having the Nile, N-I-L-E, Nile and Congo. They are two. There are also several mountains. We can see the several types of mountains and plateaus, hills. And they are the highest peak in Africa is mountain is a, what is that, but highest mountain in the Africa, highest mountain is the Kilimanjaro, and it is in a Tajna. Okay, it is the, for your 2 marks question, like it will give which is the highest mountain, like is a, will give the question. And see better. Next, they are having a long and the narrow values. They are having as a long and narrow values. In this they are having the high plateaus. In where? In the Africa continent they are having the high plateaus. And they are having the several large lakes. They are having the several large lakes. In this they are having the lakes, but they are having the large means so many lakes will be having. And the next we can see, but I here as a one box types they are given in the textbook. See once, river, country and oceans. When we are seeing the map, where is the Nile, Niger, Congo and the Zimbabwe. This is a rivers, and we have to write the countries. In the countries they have which types of oceans, means we have to write the oceans names. We have to write the ocean names. And see, but here we can see it is a relief of the Africa's map. We can see in the Africa map what we Atlas mountains. Here will be having the mountains. And the next Mediterranean Sea. We can see Mediterranean Sea. And here south side what will be having? In the east side Asia. And the river Nile, and the river Chan, and the river Volga, and the river Congo, and Lake Victoria, and here is we have Kilimanjaro Park, Lake Nyas. It will be having in there having the one park also. And the next river Zambabo and Kalira Desert. They are having also desert now. In the Africa they are having the desert also. Once you see the observe the map. Last here is the Atlantic Ocean. Here last is here Indian Ocean. And the next, we can see, but there is a region as a north where have river be sea. Here we can see in the north side river will be having. Okay, in which side? The north side the river will be there. And this is a which desert? Which desert? North side. In the map we can see, no. In the map what we'll see? In the north side what we will see? In the north means upside, no. We are having the directions, no. North, south, east, west means north side what we'll see? Sahara desert. What we'll see? In the north side what we'll see, bada? Sahara desert. Okay. This also important question. Which is the largest desert in Africa? Which is the largest desert in Africa? It is the Sahara desert. And the next, desert is received as a very scanty rainfall. It will be having as a scanty of rainfall. And there is only one river. Only one river is the Nile river. Okay, only one river, it is the Nile river. And which we crossed to Sahara desert. When the Nile river is there, no. When we had to cross, no, it is a Sahara desert. And some having as a large lakes also. They are having a sum of large lakes also. That is the lakes on the plateaus. The lakes on the plateaus. And next they are having the Victoria of largest lake. That is Africa. The Victoria of the largest lake is Africa. And then it is the one largest fresh and water lake in the world. It is the fresh and largest lake in the Africa. Which river? The Victoria of large lakes. Victoria of large lakes. It is the world, in the world it is a fresh and water is the fresh water is the largest river in the world. It is a Victoria Lake. And the next, the region which they have Nile, it has a source. It is having the Nile river. We can see in our Nile river. They are having the Nile river. No. Where it is it in? When the Nile river opposite Sahara desert is there. In the Nile river, they are having the source of river heavy rainfall. When the Nile river having as a heavy rainfall. In the desert they are having the scanty of rainfall. They are having the scanty of rainfall. Here Nile river they are having the heavy rainfall. And there is enough water to flow. They are having enough water to flow. And they cross desert to the Mediterranean Sea. When the Nile river is crossed to the Sahara desert. After the Sahara desert to crossing to the Mediterranean Sea. Where will be crossing, beta? It is crossing into Mediterranean Sea. Okay, Mediterranean Sea. And the Nile also follow throughout the Egypt. It is throughout the means the water will be falling, no. The Mediterranean Sea to the Egypt throughout the fall. And the next, most of the Egypt is a desert. Egypt is totally it will having the desert only. And the Nile river has helped as a civilization, means they are having the developing of the desert. They are having the developing in the desert. And they have Egyptian civilization, means they are having several thousands of they are having the 7,000 of years old. It will be having the Mediterranean Sea in the Sahara desert. This are having this in several thousands of years ago. Not now, yesterday like that, years. Thousands of years ago. And they have waterfall Nile help to irrigate to field. This Nile river is there, no. This water to when it is streaming, this water help to the fielding. Any water field, they will be irrigating the field. It is the helpful. And moreover, the Egypt for thousands of years. Look at the map 3. Means in this in Egypt also it is thousands of years ago. Same as it is in this also thousands of years ago. When the water will be irrigating the field. We can see in the map. See better. Map 3. In this we can see it is the rainfall. It is the rainfall. Heavy rainfall, scanty rainfall, or less rainfall will be having. 3 types of rainfall will be there. In this, in the map, we can see better. What we'll see here is a 3 colors is given. Why the colors are given? You had to identify. You had to identify. That's why he will given the color. You can see any map better. You can see India map, world map, in any map. He will give the colors. Why the colors will be given means you have to identify. The blue color is the oceans, like that. Green color means forest. You can identify. That's why he give the colors. In this map, Africa map, we can see what will high rainfall. High rainfall. High rainfall we can see it in the blue color. There will be having as a high rainfall and a medium rainfall. The medium rainfall is a green color. The medium rainfall. And the next low rainfall. Here will be having as a low rainfall. We are having the 3 types. Sometimes we are having the heavy rainfall. Sometimes only the clouds will be changes. Sometimes as a medium rainfall we are having 3 types of rainfall will be fall. Yes. And the next we are knowing about now climate. Yes. We are knowing about now climate. You know what is meant by climate? When the weather will be changes. When the weather will be changes. Yes, no? Our weather will be changes. Means weather and the climate will be changes means total. For 1 year you are think example. In a 1 year, 3 months work seasons will be there. 3 months 1 season. Like that, when the climate and the temperature, weather, anytime it will be changed. In Africa, we are the climate we are knowing. In the Africa, we are knowing climate. Yes, we are knowing in the climate. What we'll see in the climate? Let's we see. There is a African globe. You will find equators. When we can see the equators in the Africa, we are seeing the equators. You know, but where is the equators will be there on the globe? We can see now. Suppose we can see better. We can see on the globe. We having as a globe. We can see the globe. We can see the globe. In the globe, what we'll see? In the globe, we can see equators. We can see in the middle equators. We can see the equators. And they are flowing into the middle. When the equators in the passing into the middle. Yes, anytime. In this already in the 6th class I think, but in 6th class latitudes and the longitudes we can see now. Latitudes and the longitudes. There will be having the 2 latitudes and longitudes. Latitudes and longitudes. In that we can see equators, axis line. Yes, boundaries lines. We can see all. Where we can see in the latitudes and longitudes. Say we can see the equator is the middle. When the equator is in the middle. And the next, thus Africa is dividing into 2 parts. The Africa is dividing into the how many parts? Better 2 parts. In the 2 parts, which one first one? Northern and southern part. Northern part and southern part. We are having the 2. Okay, we are having the 2. The 2 means which one? Northern and southern. Northern and southern parts will be having. And the next, there will be zones. Yes, you know already about the zones. And the zone is the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Tropicon. Yes, almost already we knowing about this all. Equators, boundaries and axes, Tropic of Tropicon, Tropic of Tropicans. These all are seen on where? Where we'll see? On the globe only, no? On the globe. And moreover in the latitudes, longitudes, these all are already we have studied. In the middle we can see the equators and the now Tropic of Tropicon, Tropic of Cancer. These all are we'll see on the globe only. Yes, and the next In the tropic of tropical is the hottest region in the world. It is a very hottest region in the world. And there is a hotly and they have winter here. There will be hotly winter here. Where ma? Where is the hotly in the winter? In Africa. And the next, this is known as a tropic of region. There is a, it is known as the tropic of region. Where is very hottest means very coldest place, means hotly. The winter season is very hotly. It is called as a tropic of what? Tropic of region. And the next, these zones are will be south and north. The zone will be having north and south. North and south. And the next, they have expensive summer as well as means winter. Summer and winter. Summer after they after will they coming the winter. Means winter after summer, like that. And the next, they are called as a temperate region. Summer after winter it will coming, no, it will called as a temperature region. Temperature region means when the temperature will be changed, no, automatically temperature will be changed, means it will be having the regions. And the next, so far we having the taking only about the summer and winter. We are knowing about the summer and winter. 2 seasons only we are taking. However, that means having the heavy rainfall. In the Africa, anytime they are having the heavy rainfall. Sometimes it will have the scanty rainfall. But we are taking only 2 types of temperature. That is the summer and winter. Summer and winter we are taking the 2 temperatures. In that they are having the heavy rainfall and the different climate and hot region. Different climate will be there, no, and there will be having the hot region. It is called as a scanty rainfall. It is called as a scanty rainfall. Yes. And the next, we have completed climate. Okay, clear beta? And the remaining topic tomorrow we have discussed. Remaining topic tomorrow we have discussed. And what you will do beta? Today we have started a new lesson now. And before I am given some homeworks on Saturday for you in the next class. In the previous class I am given some homeworks. All of you done now? Yes. And today I am giving the summer homework. Means just you have to read the lesson. First to where I stop. You have to read the lesson. The which word is for you hard word. Keep the underline and write in your social book. Okay, madam? Thank you. Tomorrow we can continue.